Okay, welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at a site called Coinsbaron, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually earn cash and cryptocurrency just by doing simple tasks. Coinsbaron is a brand new site that you're going to want to actually stay tuned right to the very end, because it's got some really quirky bits and pieces in there that I haven't seen on other sites, which are going to obviously get you even more money, guys. So let's go and jump over to the desktop and do a full Coinsbaron review so you can find out whether it is going to be worth your time or not. Okay, so we've come across onto the coinsbaron.com website. And as you can see, the interface is very similar to other sites that I've done some reviews about. So we're going to go in and we're going to actually show you all about it very shortly. And we're going to show you how you can actually register, etc., how easy it is to do that. So maybe stay tuned right to the very end, because there are some neat little things in the Coinsbaron that I haven't seen on some of the other sites that you may well be interested in. Now, getting started, obviously 3-step tutorial on how to use Coinsbaron. One is obviously you've got to register on Coinsbaron by creating an account. Okay, then you've got to select and complete simple tasks. So nothing really new there. And then obviously you withdraw your coins, and you can obviously withdraw real money. You can do PayPal, gift cards, and cryptocurrencies as well. Okay, so easy to register, guys. It's simple as that. Just come across to the register button here, and then all you need to do is type in a username, type in the email with a password, and then repeat the password. And you have to confirm, obviously, you're not a robot. Now, before we obviously you go and do that, you have to obviously agree the terms and conditions here as well. But before you go and do that, check out on the side here, on the left hand side, is Trustpilot, and it says they are rated 4.9 out of 5 stars. Okay, so let's just jump over to Trustpilot and see if that is a legit thing. So we've come across to Trustpilot, and like I say, they've had 147 reviews, which is at a 4.5 value now. They are a verified company, so they put proof of identity and contact details in there, so they've got a verified company badge, and they've also claimed their profile, which means they can obviously put additional information in their actual about here, which is what they've done here. Okay, so all looking really good, guys, so far. So with that in mind, let's jump back over to Coinsbaron and actually go inside the site and find out exactly how it all works. So once you've registered and obviously verified everything, you'll get an email to verify your email, etc. Then you will come in and you'll come into the dashboard, which is what we're on here. Now, as you can see on the top right hand corner, I've actually earned 436 coins so far. Now, I've actually gone and done a couple of surveys, as you can see here. I've got a survey credited 4 hours ago and another one 4 hours ago. So I've come in, I've tried some of the surveys, and I've actually claimed one of the challenges. And I'm going to go into that in a little while, because that is something that a lot of these I've never seen on any of these sites before. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But how easy is it to actually go and earn? Well, all you've got to do is obviously come up to the earn button here, click on that, and then that opens up. You've got recommended offers here, and like I say, these vary from games that you can actually go and play. Obviously, offers you can actually take as well, so they vary, like I said, completely. This one's actually 29,000 coins, whereas this one's only 8,400 coins. And then you'd have to go and join the Coral betting app. So not going to be for everybody. So let's say there will be better things for you. Some of them you'll like, some of them won't like, just the same as there are on any of these get paid to sites. But let's just scroll down a little bit more and see what the offer walls are. Now, offer walls again, there's some new names here. This one is a new name to me, and so far this one is as well. Obviously, things like Lootably and AdGate Media and AdGem, these are all things that I've obviously that you can find on many of the websites. You've also got recommended surveys, and this obviously brings in, as you can see here, we've just got, most of these are the CPX research at the moment. And what you find is with these surveys is that if we scroll a little bit further down, some of them unlock at different levels. So this Thermo Reach one unlocks at level 2, and this one obviously unlocks at level 4. So, but like I say, even with just this one research survey company at the moment, I still managed to go and pick up 2 very quick surveys that got me so many points. So as you can see, there are plenty of ways to go and actually gather points. Okay, now what they've also got in here, we've also got the standard leaderboard. Okay, now with the standard leaderboard, obviously if you're in the top 10 of the leaderboard, you're going to actually earn prizes every single day. Now the beauty of this being a fairly new site is that you've got good chances to actually go and get on the leaderboard, to actually go and earn some more points. Like I say, this guy here has earned 6,000 points today. Well, I've earned 400 in just a few minutes, guys. So if I'd actually been doing a lot more, as you can see, I've actually earned I'm in position 32 on the leaderboard for today, and I've only earned 336 coins. So as you can see, this could be very, very easily attainable to get on that leaderboard and in the top 10. Of course, that's another way of adding more coins to your actual pot. Now, what's coming soon? They're also doing a cashback soon. So these will be sites that you can actually go and purchase stuff on and get a cashback. Okay, so that is coming soon, and like I say, there are things being added all the time. But the thing I want to go and have a quick look at is the one called Rewards. Okay, so if we open that, you've got a daily reward that you can get as a daily bonus. So every day you come in and you log in, you can obviously come and claim your 10 points just for logging in. Okay, and I claimed mine literally about 5 hours ago. What you've also got here as well is bonus codes. Now it's worth connecting with Coinsbaron on places like Twitter because they will be putting out bonus codes every so often that you can then enter here and literally just click the claim button to be added, and you'll get the amount of points as a bonus added to your score. Now if we click my down arrow here, this all brings up certain things here. You've got profile, you've got tasks, promo code. Well, there's no obviously promo codes at the moment, but if there was, you can. There's another quick way of actually delivering that. You've also got affiliates here. So this is another way that you can actually go and earn. So I've created my own account, and if you did want to go and check out Coinsbaron, I'll put a link in the description below here. Click on that link, and I'll also give you a welcome bonus of 100 coins just for joining up. So if you join up and click the claim button for the first day, you're going to end up with 110 coins in a matter of seconds before you've even had a look around the actual site. So how cool is that? Also, if you were to go and refer other people with your own code, then you could earn up to 5% commission of their balance. Okay, so if they went and earned 100 coins, you could earn 5 coins. If they earned 29,000 like there was on that offer, you would obviously earn quite a few coins. Couldn't work that out, sorry about that. So that is another way that you can obviously build up your coins, by obviously inviting others to go and take part in Coinsbaron. Now you've got your support center here as well if you ever need it. And also, and the thing I was looking at, and I haven't seen this before, we've also got something called challenges. So we click on challenges, and as you can see, it opens up. And as you can see, at the moment, I've completed 1 out of 36 challenges. So I've actually completed 1 challenge already. I say I've got 5 that are active, and out of the total of 36. So, and those sort of things are earning coins. So if I've earned my first 500 coins, and I'm actually 67% of the way already on that, and once I've done that, I'm actually going to get a bonus of 50 coins. How cool is that? If I invite people, so I invite 2 people to join using my unique referral link, and if they then go on to take a survey, then I would then get 500 bonus coins. So there are so many different bonuses in here. Win one daily leaderboard. If you win the leaderboard, you get an extra 500 coins. And as you can see, there are loads and loads of different challenges that you can actually take and earn extra points. Now, the one I've actually gone and completed, as you can see here, I've finished it. I've actually completed 2 surveys on CPX research. So I actually ended up with a bonus of 50 coins just for doing that. So literally, I've just come in, then I went and took a couple of surveys quickly, which then obviously gave me also a 50 coin bonus as well. So when you join Coinsbaron, make sure you check out these offers here and all ways that you can, and various ways you can earn extra coins literally by just doing things that you're going to be doing anyway. So once you've earned a few coins, how can you withdraw them? So the easiest way is obviously to come across to the withdraw button here. And let's just go and show you all the different methods you have to withdraw. Now, obviously cash and crypto are big. They're probably the most popular ways to actually go and withdraw. And as you can see here, PayPal's minimum is 5,000 coins. So that would be $5, okay? But if you're into crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USD coin, all of those are 300 minimum, 200 minimum. So I could always go and withdraw this straight away. But what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go and get up to 5,000 coins. And then I'll actually post probably another video which will be showing you and proving that it obviously pays out to PayPal as well. Because a lot of people want cash these days and not everybody is into their cryptocurrencies. But there are other ways you can actually withdraw as well. You could withdraw it to your Visa card directly, and you could do Google Play and Apple Pay. But at the moment, these are all coming soon. The other ones that are coming soon as well will be gift cards, and these will be various gift cards including Amazon, Netflix, PlayStation and Spotify. Now, where you can actually get stuff at the moment, you can get game stuff, so you can get points on all these different games as well, so you could definitely use those straight away. Now, you could also withdraw and top-ups and withdraw mobile top-ups. So you've got like a Tesco mobile top-up, a giffgaff and a Vectone. Okay, so if you needed on a if you're on a pay-as-you-go phone, then you could use these coins to actually top up your phone. So like I say, guys, this is a fairly new site. I would definitely go and give Coinsbaron a go, because there is loads of different surveys in here that you can do, and also loads of different ways you can earn games, offers, all that sort of thing. And as I've proved, it can be very, very quick and easy to get up so that you can actually start withdrawing your coins straight away. So definitely take a go at Coinsbaron and let me know in the comments below what you think. What's good about it? What's bad about it? Let's give us some feedback so we can actually maybe Coinsbaron can obviously improve it then as they go forward and develop it even more. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We're going to see you on the next video.